Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen, on AI Pin Bot. Today we'll be going over the StockSage, and the StockSage bot is under the specialized bot right after the crypto pulse. And what is the StockSage bot? The StockSage bot is basically a stock analysis and a market trend analysis for stocks. So if you guys invest in stocks and want to know more information about stocks, want to predict the market trend and whatever the case may be, this is the stock AI bot for you. So as we can see, there's already some pre-prompts written to give you an idea of what to write. So you know what? We'll start off with some basic ones. Give me the market insight on Tesla and if it will go up or dip down. And it says right here. Current market overview. As of October 2023, Tesla operates very high volatile automotive and tech sector. The company market cap plays amongst the large automakers globally. Recent performances, stock performances, analyze recent price trends, year-to-year date, market sentiments, future outlook, potential downside, technical analysis, conclusion. It gives you a whole deep understanding of what's going to happen to Tesla. It gives you an insight of Tesla and everything that you need to know within that stock that you asked a question about. So if you guys have any help with stocks or want to know more things about stock, come to this AI bot.